Okay, today we're gonna clean out this tank. We've already started draining it. We got the plants out of the way, we got the ladder out, and Skylar's getting ready to go in and clean it. Thank you, Skylar.
I'm excited.
Go ahead.
All right, so you know you have your favorite host here. Sorry, Dad.
I'll grab the rim of the net and go.
Let me do this. I got the arapaima neck. These chicken breasts will help.
Are you done yet? Okay, now Skylar's in there. The plants are definitely on the outside. Don't worry about that. She's moving things out of the way. And what we're trying to get out is, see these green spots of algae? She's trying to get them off because this big, huge $100 and some magnet does not do it. And if you see, it's got a scraper on the front, but it does not do it. This is like rough, hard algae to get rid of. See, she's scraping it with that, and it's rough to get off. Every time you scrape, you can take water and rinse it. You can take water and rinse it. There you go. Oh. Wow. All right, try and remove some of this algae. There's a bunch right in here, above the water. See, that just does not want to come off. That stuff is stubborn. Fish touched you? Brock, what do you think about your sister in there cleaning tanks?
Nothing to say.
Nothing to say. Well, she's willing to put forth effort and clean these tanks. I thank God, because then I don't have to. She does a good job.
Is that rubber or is that just a actual metal
It's
blade?
a plastic razor blade.
I was worried it's metal because
Oh no, you can't use metal on the plastic.
that's what I thought.
But let me get a view from way back. What's all this water over here from?
Oh,
Josh, water?
God damn it.
Okay, now we've got all the way from this end over here to this area right here. She's going to work her way across the rest. So she's doing a good job. And if you can see up close here, you can see right here. See this dots right here? Yeah, that's what she's getting off, is these hard to remove algae spots. And you know, you can only see them. Yeah, they're all over right here. There you go. See, it disappeared. That's what she's doing. So there's none over here now. And you know, we got more along this side, but it was mostly on the left side. Over here, there's really none. This is just dirt spots. See, no algae. It was mostly on this side. Josh found that we had a light up here touching this edge, pointing right down at this side. So that's why all this hard algae grew. So she's doing a good job. She's cutting through it, and we're going to be able to shut it down here in a minute and get her out of there. In the meantime, we're draining water into the pool so that she don't get underwater. That's what's draining in. And you know, because it's automated system, pumps water up to there. It goes through the tanks and then goes into the filter over there. Well, we drain it down, and it's wanting to fill back up because we're not going to shut off everything. So we had to add this hose in to the 1,000 gallon to drain it while it's filling, so that it don't go all the way full where she can't breathe. So the water's staying at about that level now. She can still take a breath and get it done, and we're going to get this done. Do you have any idea why these lights are off?
It tripped when
Oh, the water tripped? Okay. If you can see back there, you should see a tripped breaker. Can you watch the plants? Push that down in the water. There you go. Just too much systems going on. Okay, we're going through. She's doing the sides now. and finishing that, and then she's ready to come out. The whole thing is clean. We're ready to go.
I'm getting waterboarded here, guys.
She set the back wall up. So the bubble wall is back there under rocks now, and she's getting ready to get out. Good job, Skylar. Good job. You got to play with the fishies? As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters. You're always having fun here? Brock, can you hold the ladder for your sister? There you go. Yeah, we can take that out, but hang on. Don't break things. I'll be there in a second.
I'm surprised I did that without breaking anything.
Well, you broke some things. You took the clip out. Just hop on down. Hop on down. I'll fix things.
I broke something?
All right. Hand me that clip on the floor right there by your foot. Thank you. This goes up here. And then there's one over here by Brock. They got knocked off. I don't know where it's at. Look on the ladder. Oh, here's one here. We got this one. So there's one more. Let me put this up onto here. Watch, don't mash it. Okay, put this onto here. And this is good. We're good to go. Do you see a black one up there?
No, but this one's still back on.
Make sure the light ain't against the front, and make sure all 4 lights are even in the middle type thing. So the tank is filling back up. The whole time she was in there, she was running like a race against time. Okay, then come on down. You did a good job. Now by tonight, this will be nice and crystal clear. And, oh, except for you didn't put that wood back where it belongs. It's all stuffed on one side now. That should go in the center of the tank. All right, so now this will be nice and clear, and the fish will be okay, and the tank will be no algae on this side. Remember, this side here was tore up with algae. All this was just that this couldn't take it off. Yeah, that's fine. Anywhere's in the middle there. Thank you. And we got this tank dirty by doing the same thing. They're both on the same pump. By shutting things off, you just busted that whole green clip off. Go back up there, grab the green clip. Oh wait, this may be it. Here's the black one. Under one of them tanks over there on that side. Put that right here in the middle. And let me put this up. Don't break them.
Not break them. I'm fixing them.
All right, come on down. Yeah, see this side's here lower, way lower. Now, in doing so, look at the leaves on the ground. You don't think you're breaking things, but just by moving, you break things. These. No, look. Leaves on the floor. Leaves on the floor. This is all breaking this. The point is, you have to be aware of your surroundings, and you know, and that way you don't break things. Same thing that happens over here. When Josh goes in here, he ruins this. This here got broke all the way back to here. So I know you're trying to be funny, but there's a right way and a wrong way. And if you be careful of your surroundings and watch everything, you don't break the plants. And I'm trying to really grow these plants off to the other side. So, you know.
Well, maybe next time we should take that clip off first.
We did.
Down. No, the clip was on when I got in.
No, this whole clip was hanging down. All these plants were hanging down. Clip wasn't there. I can show you on the video.
Okay.
It wasn't there.
Well,
Getting out, you got out all the way, and then I put the plants up, and then you got back up to look for the other clip,
Okay,
that's when you leaned on it and broke it. Yeah.
So I didn't break it when I was going in, but I broke it when I was
Right, going out. Right.
All right, lesson learned.
So I'm just saying, be aware of your surroundings, and you won't break things. And you know that whole point is we're trying to grow these plants out. And my biggest problem was Josh. He kept leaning against them and breaking them all the time.
Well, Josh was my trainer, so maybe that's why.
Josh is gone now.
Maybe that's why.
But no, thank you for getting in there and doing that. I know it looks atrocious now, but I can see how much better it's going to look as soon as it clears up. I mean, you did a great job cleaning out the algae. But see, now, that tank still don't look good to me, even though it's clean. Well, we got the outside we got to clean yet. You can see some water driplets coming down. but the tanks still don't look good. The tiles are green. I mean, there's algae a little bit on the inside, and it's got this terrible look of tint of the lights on there. It just don't look good. It looks always dirty. So I think that's what we're going to do next. We're going to start going through all of our old lights, finding 4 that match, and put them up there and see what we can do to make it look better. We need something that lights up the fish more and not lights up the water. This is like a bright white light. We need like a 6500K light, and that really shows the color of the fish. Like these lights here, they don't really light up the water. It lights up everything in it. This, you can see the difference. It's the same water. The water's traveling out of here, going over to here. You can see it's clear, but here it looks cloudy and dirty. It's the way the lights are reflecting on everything in the water, and then these lights don't. These lights just light up things in it. So I think this is what we're going to have to do, is just change these lighting on here. Can't take it no more. And take this wood out. It's never going to sink. We'll go throw it in the pool pond and let it sink in there. If it floats for a year, it's fine. But we need to get that out of there. And then do some sort of decorations in here, something nice. And scrub them tiles, of course. What I need to do is take all these fish out, put some bleach water in them tiles and make them back like brand new, and then, you know, rinse the tank out a couple times and fill it back up, put the fish back in. Because that tiles are porous. There's no way that, you know, we're going to be able to scrub that and get it all looking back white again. We've tried. What's that?
Only way is to bleach them.
Yeah, that's what I just got done saying. So we may have to take all these fish out and do it that way. And I mean, it makes it a pain in the arse, but you know, we can still get it done and make it look good. And then we're going to add one more FX5 on here. There's, I think, 2 or 3 on there now, but it's just not enough. There's still particles in the water. But see, the water that goes over there looks nice and clear. And there is only one FX5 on that. It comes in here. So, I mean, it's nice and clear, and it comes from this tank. You can see the hose right here comes down and goes right into this tank here, right there. So water definitely comes from this tank that fills this up, but the water looks so much better under this lighting. So we're going to have to get them kind of lights up on this tank. That's our only option at this point. Oh, and while we're here, everybody say hi to TJ. What's up, buddy? You are such a calm, nice bird. He don't try and bite you. You can pet him. He's such a nice bird. Sitting here scratching his head. Yeah. Touch your feet. Oh. Oh, look at you. Oh, yeah, I'm still a little scared. It's a new bird. Oh, you are a nice bird, though. So sweet. And he's not loud and screaming. I mean, every once in a while he'll put out a sound, but he don't scream very much. We hooked up his cage. I put a swing in there for him and put the rope tied up on there. We put a toy on his perch here. We put this thing in here, which is a bell. See if I can get it to... There we go. Okay. And then we put a perch down there between them 2 bowls. And he's pretty set up now. But anyways, yeah, I'm tired of this tank looking just ugly. This tank has looked more beautiful in the past. And ever since we switched the lights, because they went bad, it's never been good. The ones we had on here were the, oh geez, what were them called? Coral Life Color Max. HOs. They were 55 watts. They were nice. It was they made this tank look beautiful, and it's never looked good since. So, all right, guys. Hope you liked the video. We had fun making it. Go ahead and hit that like and share button, and subscribe and that notification bell. Thanks for hanging in there with us and watching our videos. We appreciate it. Till next time, stay fishy, my friends.